The dog says hello. Don't ask me why, but the dog likes to eat bird food. Hey, baby. Where are you going? Cersei, what are you doing? Oh, you see me? You see me? Baby's like, I'm coming, Mama. I'm coming. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hello. Oh, we can't see. We need to turn on the light. Hello. And what is your name? Oh, it's going dark for some reason. I don't like that. Cersei. Cersei. Don't chase them birds. Hey guys, y'all ready to come out? Cersei, come on. Cersei! Hello. Hello, my name is Baby. Me, Baby. Cersei. Cersei, get over here and lead them birds along. Hey, baby. You're such a sweet bird to me, your mother. Let's see what's going on this end. Cersei, what are you doing? Lead them birds along. What's going on, guys? You okay? Did he? You tell me all about it. You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. Where's everybody else at? Huh? Where's everybody else at? Cersei, stop. Hello? You want everybody to get out of your house? What's wrong, Fifi? What you swaying for? Don't you worry, I will protect you. I will protect you, my love. You better protect me because you're gonna be a sorry ass person if you don't protect me. Oh, honey, I need you to do some stuff for me. I want you to chew the corner of our house and tear it down. Hey, and who is this intruder? I need to go eat the wall. Oh, yes. Hello, hello. Let me just run. Stop it, Cersei. Sorry, guys. Got a dog licking me. Oh, you bite my ass? You bite me? You want to bite my butt? How dare you bite my butt? I'll show you. I'll show you. Oh, you're so beautiful. Give me a kiss. Oh, I'm in love with you so much. Oh, yes. You're so handsome. We can do this together. I love you so much, yes. You're my man, and I'm your woman. Hey, babe, where'd you go? I was chewing this for you, even though it's bad for my stomach and I'm gonna have splinters coming out of my ass. Oh, somebody flew on me. Yep. Who is this? Hello. Hello. We have a intruder. Hey, baby. What are you looking at? Why do you always have that camera on me? Get that damn camera off of me. I'm gonna stand on your head. Hi, guys. We're gonna run around. Alright, I'll put y'all's stuff back. And now we are going to go see Polly. Polly is not in here. You want to go see Polly? You want to go see